When it comes to protecting your home in League City, few upgrades make a bigger impact than a properly installed door. Whether you're replacing an aging front door, adding a new patio entry, or upgrading to a more secure system, the quality of the installation is just as important as the type of door you choose. A professional door installation doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it significantly improves home security, boosts energy efficiency, and adds lasting value to your property. Stronger protection starts with proper installation. Your exterior doors play a major role in your home's security. Even the strongest, highest-rated door won't keep your home safe if it's installed incorrectly. Gaps, loose hinges, misaligned frames, and weak strike plates are all common issues with DIY or low-quality installations. These weaknesses make it easier for intruders to force open a door or bypass its locking system. Professional installers in League City understand the structural demands of exterior doors. They ensure the frame is square, the hinges are reinforced, and the lock set aligns correctly for maximum strength. Many also upgrade hardware such as screws, plates, and weather stripping to create a tighter, more secure fit. This attention to detail creates a solid barrier that stands up to attempted break-ins and everyday wear. Better energy efficiency for League City's Climate League. City homeowners know how challenging the Texas heat can be during the summer, and how important it is to keep cooled air inside the house. Poorly installed doors often develop small, invisible gaps that allow air to leak in or out. These leaks cause your HVAC system to work harder, raising your monthly utility bills. A professional installation ensures your door fits tightly within its frame, eliminating drafts and sealing off energy-wasting gaps. Installers also use high-quality weather stripping and insulation techniques to help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Whether it's combating humidity, heat, or those occasional strong coastal winds, a professionally installed door creates a more energy-efficient home that saves you money over time. Enhanced durability and long-term performance. A well-installed door doesn't just look good on day one, it continues performing its best for years. Professional installers know how to account for shifting foundations, aging home structures, and the regional climate. They ensure the door operates smoothly, closes tightly, and resists warping or sticking over time. Poor installation, by contrast, can shorten a door's lifespan dramatically. Misalignment puts strain on hinges, latches, and even the door slab itself. Over time, this can lead to cracking, difficulty opening or closing, and the need for costly repairs or premature replacement. By choosing a professional, you're investing in long-term peace of mind and reliable performance. Improved home value and curb appeal in the competitive League City real estate market. First impressions matter. A professionally installed door, especially a modern, secure, and energy-efficient one, instantly boosts your home's exterior appearance. Buyers appreciate features that improve safety and efficiency, making professionally installed doors a strong selling point. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, the upgrade pays off through better comfort, lower utility bills, and enhanced day-to-day convenience. Avoiding costly DIY mistakes. Many homeowners consider installing a door themselves to save money, but even minor installation mistakes can lead to major problems. Issues such as uneven framing, poor sealing, and improper hardware placement often require professional correction, sometimes costing more than the installation would have in the first place. Professional installers bring the right tools, expertise, and experience to ensure the job is done correctly the first time. They also provide warranties or workmanship guarantees, giving you additional confidence and protection. Final thoughts. If you want a safer, more energy-efficient, and more comfortable home in League City, professional door installation is a smart investment. By ensuring a secure fit, proper alignment, and long-lasting durability, expert installers help you get the most from your new door, while protecting your family and reducing energy costs. Whether upgrading your front entry or replacing a patio door, professional installation delivers performance you can rely on for years to come.